All right, so let's get into this. I said write down your goals, and we're talking about your goals with governance, your goals with risk management, your goals with compliance. What does that mean? Governance. What are you doing to make your management leadership skills better? What are you doing to make your project skill? Like, what can you learn about governance in the next 5 years? What can you do in governance? What can you do in risk management to make your skills better? Are there tools you can download to learn? Uh, what kinds of things can you do for ethical hacking? What kinds of not? And these are just some examples of getting deeper and deeper into risk management framework. I mean, to governance, risk management, and compliance. So, compliance, same thing. Write down what regulations you've been involved in, no matter what industry it is. Write down frameworks you're familiar with. Write down policies, procedures you've written or read or whatever. Write these things down and then think about how I can be better and get deeper in this. If you're really serious about governance, risk, and compliance, it'll start with you writing it down. All right. So what are we going to talk about? NIST CSF. This is the cybersecurity framework. And let me just make sure. I see you guys talking to me real quick. Let me just take a brief pause to make sure that everything's okay. That sounds good. Sometimes I'll be on this thing and somebody will. Okay, good. We're good to go.